So this ProtoSpace, as you can see, is huge, and it's got some amazing kit in it. It's this beautiful melting pot of people who actually want to make change happen. Spaces like this are the perfect place to prototype and experiment around, do things the expensive way until you figure out how to do it the cheap and scalable way.
Our engineering department has been working with UTS for quite some time now, bringing their designs into life, working hand to hand with their research team and with our R&D team together.
We've been making a lot of interesting designs using Dragonfly. Over the last 4 years, we've been making electronic components like antennas, filters, couplers, even ECG sensors used for biomedical applications, and we built in-house.
So at UTS, we like to say this knowledge exchange with industry is built into the DNA.
Dragonfly is the only 3D printer that can plan like PCB-like circuit designs. I haven't seen any printers can do this kind of designs.